Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just want to make this a quick one. You can have the best looking video and have bad audio, and people aren't going to want to watch because you have bad audio. I made the best purchase last year. I invested in the Zoom F3 and then I paired it with the Sennheiser MKE600. Those two things, I really don't have anything bad to say because it's definitely a step up from other audio options that I had used in the past. When I first started out, I had like a small Rode microphone. It was basically just like a plug and play just to get like quick audio. Then I moved on to a Deity V3, I believe. And then I had a Tascam 10D4L or something like that, just a small Tascam. The issue with the Tascam, when I had it on the Talent, if their hair brushed or if they shuffled their clothes, the microphone picked that up, ruining the audio. I had no way to really monitor that, unfortunately. So if there was a lot of shuffling, I was stuck trying to fix audio in post. Same thing with the other microphones. So basically you got like a dead cat or something to block like wind gusts or whatever, but I still wasn't able to monitor audio. So with the MKE 600 paired with the Zoom F3, it's been awesome because I can actually just plug in my headphones. I can be monitoring my audio while I'm filming. I'm actually using the microphone and the Zoom right now for this video. When I get in post, I really haven't had any issues. The Zoom F3, it's 32-bit float, which gives you more flexibility to basically not clip your audio. But it's really hard to mess up your audio with 32-bit float. If I have any like random ambient noise, if I'm hearing like traffic out in the street, or if I have people talking in another room, because the Sennheiser does pick up audio great, like it's really good at picking up audio. I realized that during some interviews, I had people talking in the background in other rooms and I could actually hear them on my headphones. But when I got to DaVinci, I use DaVinci for my editing. So whenever I get over to the audio tab, I just use the voice isolation tool, and that pretty much fixes everything. Like, I have had a great amount of success. Like it's been really good. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys about that really quick. Just a quick drop in. I haven't run into any issues yet. There are definitely other reviews that you could probably watch here on YouTube to see what other people have run into, what other kind of issues. But me personally, I haven't had any as of yet. I do recommend the mic. There is an affiliate link in the description if you want to look at it, if you want to pick it up. Same for the Zoom F3. Like, both are great tools. I'm really glad that I made these purchases. Be on the lookout for more videos. This is just a quick little tip, quick little review, and I'll catch you on the next one.